In a world where speed defines production, true luxury chooses patience. Behind these walls, perfection is not rushed, and value is measured not in quantity, but in mastery. This is where a $50,000 handbag begins. Luxury is not created, it is selected. This journey begins by sourcing the world's finest material. Every hide is chosen from the rarest materials on Earth, judged not only by appearance, but by feel, resilience, and time. Even the smallest flaw is unacceptable. Hardware is treated like fine jewelry, polished, inspected, and approved long before it touches leather. Before design begins, each material is authenticated, digitally tracked, and preserved under precise conditions. The next section is design and engineering. Every iconic shape begins as an idea. Designers sketch by hand, then translate emotion into engineering. Advanced simulations test structure, stress, and balance.
That will improve the stress distribution.
Ensuring beauty never compromises strength.
I think if we adjust the strap connection point here, the balance will be perfect.
Yes, that would align better with the golden ratio we discussed.
Each millimeter is calculated, each curve refined. Only when perfection is proven, production is allowed to begin. The next section is precision cutting and preparation. Laser-guided systems cut leather with surgical accuracy. Preserving strength while eliminating waste. Every piece is measured, checked, and verified by human hands.
See how the system optimized the nesting for these smaller pieces.
It's flawless. This ensures we meet our sustainability goals for the quarter.
Because in luxury, precision is not optional. This is where time slows down. The next section is artisan assembly. Each handbag is assembled by master artisans, trained through years, sometimes decades, of experience. Every stitch is placed by hand. Tension, alignment, and symmetry are judged by touch, not machines. Hours turn into days, days into legacy. A single artisan may work on just one bag at a time. Luxury is felt in the details you don't immediately notice. Small stitching is done with machines. Mostly work is done with hands. After the completion of stitching, the bag is going in next section for hardware and finishing detail.
In this section, gold-plated logo is made.
Gold hardware is polished to a mirror finish. Edges are painted, dried, and polished repeatedly, sometimes over several days. Every sound, every reflection, every movement must feel effortless. Nothing leaves this factory unquestioned. Each handbag is tested for strength, durability, and flawless operation. It is inspected under light.
Different kind of tests are performed to maintain quality. Then comes the clap cycle testing. Modern chips are installed in the bags to prevent from loss.
Scanned for imperfections and verified down to the smallest measurement. Only after passing every test is it officially authenticated. After completion of all processes, then it came to packaging. Silk bags are prepared for packing. Presentation is not an afterthought. It is the final expression of respect for the craft and for the owner. Every fold, every layer, every detail is handled with intention. What you see is not just a handbag. It is thousands of decisions, hundreds of hours, and generations of expertise. This is why it costs $50,000. Not because it is expensive, but because it is irreplaceable. Subscribe this channel for more factory processes like this.